Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be swatching Beauty Big Bang XL094. It has got some of the cutest Christmas winter images ever. I'm very excited to share this one with you. I do have a 10% off discount code down in the description box, PACK285. And if you go buy anything, remember to use the code and get some discount. There we go. So I am cleaning that plate off with some pure acetone, and I'll wipe it with a paper towel. I got my beauty scraper and my AliExpress stamper out today. These are just such cute images. I love it. I just am so excited. These little reindeer and snowflakes. So cute. And this cute little snowman. A little more different than the traditional snowman. He's got some wispies in his body. I think that's pretty cute. And then this one's just kind of like a sweater design. Very cool. I will be showing up close swatch photos at the end. And I love anything that's got the reindeer in it. I just think those are always good to go. This one is one of my favorites. It's got the snowflakes and then that diamond pattern. And I also love this one that uses the little reindeer heads and that diamond pattern. Very cool. So today I'm swatching with just Funky Fingers, the white and the black. These aren't stamping polishes. They're regular polishes. Got some cute little Santa hats. And you know I love this image just because it's the swirls and twirls. Yes, indeed. It's an awesome plate. I didn't have any problems with any of the pickup. And of course you got to have penguins. Penguins are just so winter. And this one's just kind of more of an abstract winter design. It's not really like Christmas trees or snowflakes. Just kind of like pine branches, and I like it. In case you kind of want to be in a festive mood, but not just all up on it. And then you got your candy canes and presents. And then I love this one with all the little snowman faces and stuff. That is so cute. And finally, we've got the pine cones and, I guess, pine foliage. So here we go with the up-close swatches. I really enjoyed this one. Really did. I'm missing an antler on one of my reindeers, but that's okay. We'll just, you know, have to make do. But they all swatched out really well. I'm just, you know, a big fan. So I hope you enjoyed the swatch video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this plate. I always want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.